Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of TIE's Funding Index. May 2024 has seen some of the biggest startup investments in India. Billions have flown into the Indian startup economy. Indian startups have raised funding ranging from $500,000 to over $45 million. But which sectors have gotten the most of the money? Which startups have achieved their $1 million funding dreams? All this and more in this episode of TIE's Startup Funding Index. I am Swati Dayal and you are watching TIE's TV. This week, we are diving deep into the world of startup funding, where there's been a lot of brewing despite some chilly weather. We are talking EV financing, fintech, drones, clean tech, and a whole lot more. Let's kick things off with some big news in electric vehicles. Turno, a marketplace for commercial EVs, just secured $6 million to expand their reach and improve their battery tech platform. This means more electric three-wheelers on the road and potentially even bigger commercial vehicles like buses in the future. Speaking of Hot Wheels, let's shift gears to fintech. VegaPay, a startup providing B2B financial solutions, just raised $5.5 million. They are using this cash to develop even cooler tech for banks like card management systems and loan collection tools. They are even planning to take their services global. So watch out Southeast Asia and the Middle East. Now, with the recent funding slowdown, some governments are stepping up to help. The state government of Karnataka just announced a platform to connect startups with investors. This is great news for early stage ventures, especially those run by awesome women entrepreneurs. Drones are taking flight in the startup world too. Tech Eagle, a company specializing in autonomous drone deliveries, just secured funding to expand their operations and develop heavy-duty drones. Imagine flying medical supplies or packages across cities. That's the future Tech Eagle is building. And speaking of the future, let's talk clean tech. Eco Ratings, a startup using AI to measure the environmental impact of products, just raised $1 million. They are aligning with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, which is pretty cool. But wait, there's more. Gravity, a banking tech startup, just snagged $1 million to improve the platform for connecting different banking systems. They are aiming to onboard Indian banks and then take the game international, UAE and Southeast Asia. Watch out. And on the investment front, we saw some big moves. Sorin Investments, a brand new early stage venture firm, just closed its first fund at a whopping rupees 1,350 crore. That's a lot of cash to support startups looking for that crucial Series A funding. The good news keeps rolling in for the agriculture sector too. Farmart, a B2B food supply platform, just raised rupees 24 crore to develop their software and reduce food waste. They are also planning a big equity round soon, so keep your eyes peeled. And another agtech startup, Philo, just secured $4 million to boost their farm productivity solutions. With their help, farmers can leverage precision farming technology to get the most of their land. Healthcare is getting a high-tech boost too. Zoho Corporation, the software giant, just invested in Yali Aerospace, a drone startup delivering medical supplies and even organs to remote areas. Talk about a lifesaver. And finally, Solinas, a company developing AI-powered solutions for water and sanitation, secured funding to expand their product line. They are tackling issues like pipeline defect detection and manual scavenging elimination, which is a huge win for public health. That's all for this week's TIE's Funding Index. We have just wrapped up a tour of this week's funding highlights. But before we jet off, let's take a broader look at how May unfolded in the startup ecosystem. So how was the funding sentiment in May? It's a mixed bag. There was a noticeable dip in late-stage funding, but that's balanced by a wave of optimism in early to mid-stage startups. Investors seem to be placing their bets on the future, putting their money behind promising young companies. Early stage funding appears more active, with smaller deals happening more frequently. It's been an interesting month with some positive signs, but also reminders of the challenges in the ecosystem which the startups are still facing. Let's dive in. Overall sentiment, while 2023 was a tough year for funding, May 2024 offered a glimmer of hope. We saw a mix of big and small deals across various sectors, indicating a cautiously optimistic sentiment from investors. There were funding rounds led by established players like Elevation Capital and Sequa Capital, alongside few entrants like Bharat Innovation Fund. This suggests a growing interest in the Indian startup landscape. Fintech continued to be a hotbed of activity, with funding rounds for B2B players like VegaPay and Gravity, as well as InsurTech startup CoverSure. There was a strong focus on innovation in areas like electric mobility and companies like Zip Electric and Cleantech, with Eco Ratings securing funding. Agritech also saw its share of investments, with Pharmart and Nico Robotics raising capital. Interestingly, there were sizable investments in niche areas like drone delivery, for example Tech Eagle, and digital fitness, for example Portal. Let's have a look at some of the noteworthy funding rounds from May. Investors seem to be more selective, focusing on companies with strong business models and clear paths to profitability. The government's initiatives like Karnataka's dedicated platform for connecting startups with VCs could further boost the ecosystem. However, challenges like global economic uncertainties remain. That's a wrap for our May 2024 funding update. Remember, the Indian startup ecosystem is brimming with potential. May might have seen a funding chill, but it has also highlighted a shift towards nurturing young companies with the potential to disrupt major industries. It shows the vibrancy of the Indian startup ecosystem, constantly adapting and finding new ways to grow. What are your thoughts on the Indian startup funding scene? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for TIES Funding News this month. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest funding trends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay informed about the future of Indian startups. Thank you for watching TIES News.